you can look through. Another square there. It's a nice little pattern happening. Doesn't matter which way you look at it. And that shape, it's a similar idea to the previous shape I made like this, but it lends itself. There's a whole previous video showing how to make this one. Alright, and that's a smaller version there. These are different. They're shapes made out of 8 triangles, and the square is just the back of 4 of the triangles. This shape here is made out of this kind of shape. This is the basic shape for the other one. It's made out of this kind of shape. This shape is basically like 6 8 rings. There's an 8 ring there. And they're like on the surface of a sphere. On the surface of a cube. And then 8 triangles, and they're basically the corners of a cube. The 8 triangles. So there's those 4 there, and the other 4 on the other side. It's hard to sort of turn it. There's the bottom 4 which I'm touching, and then the top 4 triangles. And every face is an 8 ring. So the triangles are made of 9, and they're actual triangles, and the faces are made of 8, and the triangles butt into the 8s. I'll quickly make one up. Assuming I don't spill them, which I almost did. I've got parts ready in advance for once. You just put a triangle. You've got an 8 ring. And you put a triangle into every second gap like that. Let me adjust my improvised stand a bit. So basically you've got something that looks like that. And in between all the corners you put another 8 ring. Every second you put the points of the triangle in between every second point. It goes there. And then keep putting the triangles in. Go all the way around, making sure that the triangles stay formed into triangles, which can be a bit of a challenge sometimes. Okay, seems to be short one triangle. There's still a spot for a triangle to go there, but let's see. Now the difference between these ones and the previous model I made is that it joins at the squares, not at the triangle. Well, the other one didn't really have squares. The squares were sort of an illusion, as I showed. So these ones, now it looks like a square, but that's just sort of an illusion. That's just the back end of 2 triangles and 2 squares. The real squares are here, and you could butt these up to each other like that, but what I did was I took out the square in one of them, and including the points of the triangle, and just hopefully I've made this the right way around. well, hopefully it doesn't matter. No, I haven't made it the right way around. But anyway, it would just clip onto the square. You can see there's 4 spots, and just as with the other one, you can clip on like that. Then I'm not going to well, I probably could remake that, I guess. Just invert it. And it should clip onto the squares like that. There. And there. So you've got 2 of these joined. Alright, but they share, there's only 1 square there, they share that square face. It's a single row of magnets. That's about like that. Right, so those 2, you can see, can you? For example, these 2 top corners here, they could be considered as these 2. Or even the bottom 2 there, it's the same deal. All the 2 vertical ones. The only thing I didn't show very clearly was how I made this protrusion at the top. It looks like a different shape, but basically it's just 1 triangle from each of the balls that would have been stacked on top of these 4 positions. So that triangle would make another ball around here, and that would be part of a ball that came around this way. But really what I did was I just took the parts of different, there's like 4 triangles without points, and I just clipped it on, you know, like bang. I don't want to take the existing one off because it's all too fiddly, but oh yeah, no, there's no good spot to do it. I'm not going to do it. But that you take this, put it down there, and it's right in the middle. And it just clips on in a similar way. Clip, clip, clip. So right there you'd have the 4, or the 2, 3, you'd have the 12 balls all stacked up. That would be good. Anyway, you don't really need them. It's just a decoration. And there you go. Finished.